Welcome back to our channel, Ask Metal Spoon. This is Kumar with you. Hope you are enjoying my dishes. Today I am here with a new dish. No, not new actually. You have seen so many varieties of koftas. Today I am going to make raw banana potato kofta. I am sure you will enjoy the dish. Okay? Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, let us see what are the ingredients required for this raw banana potato kofta. I have taken here 3 medium-sized potato and 2 raw banana, which I already boiled and scraped some just to show. I kept this one. Then I got here 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 cup tomato puree. I have taken here 3 to 4 teaspoon of chickpea flour. Then ginger, this I pasted actually. Then one pinch of, not pinch actually, it's half cup of coriander leaves chopped, then 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and oil, associated water I will be taking, and I will be taking a little bit of a pinch of hing powder also. And here I got this is actually cabbage I fried actually. Okay, fried actually. This I will be using for this for the roll as well as the masala also. Yeah, there is 3 more ingredients I have to introduce. That is fresh cream I have taken here, salt as required, and I have taken here 3 green chili cut into small pieces. Okay, now let us start mixing that. Just mix it. This is a scratched one. Okay, going to add here green chili, okay, then the cabbage, fried cabbage. Now I'm going to add here basin flour and 4 teaspoons. Okay, that's enough. Salt as required. Yeah, okay. A little bit of turmeric powder. Okay, then I got here the ginger paste. Yeah, that's it. Just mix it well. Okay. Here I'm using my bare hands to mix it so you can mix it properly. It's almost done. Yeah, the mix is ready now. We are going to fry this one. Make the small balls, then I'll fry it. Yeah, I'll pour the oil down here. I'm going to make the ball. See the ball right now. See? Small balls. The oil is hot now. Yes. Yeah, just to flip it over so the other side also will get. I think I'll be taking the small karai or the frying pan, so it will be more convenient. Ready now, see, golden brown. To remove it. It look good, very nice. Nice bowl, okay. Now I will fry the balance for now. Okay, balls are ready now. Yeah. Now let us start the second step. Going to add a little oil here. Okay, that's enough. Well, here I am going to add cumin seeds. Let it splatter. Ginger here. Let the raw smell goes. Here I am going to add the cabbage that I fried. I'm going to add that to this one. Okay. It's already fried almost. Just mix it because it's already fried, so no need to fry again. Okay. Off the fire now. Let it cool a bit, then we will go to paste it. Here let us touch. Here, Let's add here 2 teaspoon oil here. I'm going to add cumin a little bit. I'm going to add some egg. Yeah, that's it. Here I am going to add the paste that masala. Okay, it is ready now. Reduce the fire now. Okay. Trying to add that chili powder. Okay. Will be turmeric powder. Mix it well. Yeah, we are going to add, we have half teaspoon of jeera powder. Okay. Then garam masala powder, half teaspoon. Okay. Mix it well. Yeah. Okay. Here I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water into it. Yes. And let it boil. I'm going to put it in high flame. Yeah, here I'm going to add the tomato puree as well as I'm going to add the coriander powder also. Add salt in the bowl, so you have to add the balanced salt in it. Okay. It's boiling now. It boil. Let the oil separated. It's separating now. I'm going to add the fresh cream over here. Yes. Let it boil sometime. Yes. Nice color is that. Okay. Nice color. This is a little bit thick. Actually, you can add some more water if you require. But I'm not going to add that one. It's okay for me. If you want liquid size, you can add a little bit more water, hot water. Now it's almost ready. Okay. Still is ready. I'm going to off the fire now. What I will do, I'm going to add the balls over here. Yes. Good. Look nice. That's it. Yes. Okay. I'm going to garnish this with the coriander leaves. Good. Plus, going to little bit of fresh cream on it. That's it. Our kofta is ready now.
Hi! How are you today? Did you like the before dish?
Okay.
Huh?
Yes. Now, darling, I got the new dish here for you to taste.
I knew that.
Yeah.
How? Why is it being boiled?
Yeah.
Did you make air inside?
No. This is actually, kofta. So we just roll it, then fry it and make it. You taste it and tell them what is it. How is it?
Yummy! I loved it.
You like it? Okay.
Yes.
It is not spicy, isn't it?
No.
No, because I put a little bit chili only, okay?
But
Yeah.
why is this
No,
when
fresh cream. That's fresh
when
cream.
you cook, you have to put it. But
Yes,
why
already
is it
put
like
this.
this?
This I put for garnishing only.
For decoration?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. When you serve, you will mix it with the okay? So you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay, so tell them what you like.
Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.
Okay, as I told, try it at home also.
Yes,
Enjoy it.
you have to
and-
try it.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. When you press the bell button, you will get the notification automatically for my next video. Okay.
Remember
Bye-bye.
to see our video. Bye bye.